all, this is Subhashri and welcome to Glam Shades, a show where I review beauty products just for you. And आज जो product हमारे सामने है, that is the Biotic Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. Well, we all know that toner is a very important part of our skincare routine. And as the name suggests right in here, this product claims that it tightens the pore, जिसकी वजह से आपकी skin काफी ज़्यादा soft और smooth हो जाती है. यही नहीं, it also reduces the effect of sun on your skin. So if you have roughness and aging, then उसको protect करने के लिए और reduce करने के लिए ये बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. I would say that the packaging is very simple yet effective. As you can see, ये एक translucent प्लास्टिक बॉटल में अवेलेबल है, यानी कि ब्रेकेजेस का कोई चांस नहीं है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. एंड यू कैन सी द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कितना प्रेजेंट है क्लियरली टिल द टॉप ऑफ इट. सो अगेन आई थिंक इट हैज अ ग्रेट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इन इट. तो आपको लगेगा कि अगर आप जल्दी सोच रहे हैं कि खत्म हो जाएगा, देन आई थिंक डेफिनेटली नॉट. इट कैन गो फॉर मंथ्स टुगेदर. एंड इसकी जो कवरिंग है, ऊपर की जो लिड है, इट्स इन ग्रीन कलर अगेन, dark green and काफी broad है. When you open it, you will see that there is this topper जो perfectly fit हो जाता है into the hole. जैसे आप इसे बंद करते हैं, there is no chance of leakages, as you can see. Now we all know that toner is very important for your skin क्योंकि ये आपका pH balance को restore करता है और ये आपकी skin को tighten करता है, especially the pore, and it gives you even and smooth skin. But do you know that for different skin type, there are different toner that should be used. Let's get into the details. अगर आपकी skin dry है, then make sure कि आप ऐसे toner ही use करें जिसमें hydrating या moisturizing abilities जरूर हो. अगर आपकी skin normal है, तो वैसे आप कई सारे different toners के साथ experiment कर सकते हैं and you can find out the right one. But make sure कि जो toner में ज़्यादा high alcohol content है या अगर harsh chemical है, उसको आप definitely avoid करें and go for the hydrating ones because that's a better option. For those people with oily skin, I know you will face a lot of challenges, but make sure that you use only such toner which has gentle but strong ingredient. For those people with sensitive skin, you should definitely avoid those toners जिसमें high alcohol content है या जिसमें कई ज़्यादा chemicals present. Clean your skin with a suitable cleanser. Pour some toner out on a cotton pad. Make sure the cotton pad is slightly soaked and not completely drenched. Gently wipe it all over your face and neck. Make sure you don't tug or rub your skin too hard. Proceed with your moisturizing step after this. Make sure to not use this near the eye area as it might cause your eyes to sting a little. So guys, Biotic has always been my favorite brand और ये जो toner है, this works immensely beautifully on my skin. बहुत अच्छा feel होता है. Not just this, and ये आपके skin को बहुत ज़्यादा smooth कर देता है. मैंने इसे कई महीनों से use किया है and I'm absolutely suggesting it to everyone out there. अगर आपका normal to oily skin है, definitely use this. So guys, if you're looking for a toner जो affordable भी हो और effective भी, I think this one by Biotic is definitely a try on. Try this on and let me know how do you like it, and stay tuned for more.